In this video, we will show you how to create a document, spreadsheet, Google Slide, as well as drawings. So as you can see here, this is your Google Drive. In your Google Drive, if you come to the tab over here that says New, here you'll be able to see Google Docs, which is like Microsoft Word, Google Sheets, which is like Microsoft Excel, and Google Slides, which is like Microsoft PowerPoint. When you click on any one of these documents, up top here, it appears just like Microsoft Word. As you can see in the top left, I will title this document as Word Example. Down here in the text, you can type anything that you'd like. Now, once you are done using this document, as you can see, changes are saved automatically as you're working. Once you are done with this document, you are free to close out of it, and you can see that the Word example shows up right here in my Google Drive. And I can access it just by clicking on it, just by double-clicking on it, and it'll open up for us. This would be how we would use Microsoft Word. Again, I'll X back out of this. Again, it's no different if I were to use Google Sheets or Google Slides. Now, in any of these documents, you have the option where I'll come up here. Again, I'll just title this You have the option to share these tools and these presentations. So again, if I come back to my Google Drive, you see Word and you see PowerPoint example. In my PowerPoint example, I have the opportunity to share this project with somebody else. As you can see here in my settings, okay, if I come to advanced, it shows that I'm the only one that has access to it. If I were to add somebody, and I'll have my own self here, I can decide if I want this person to edit this document, comment, or view it. When they're allowed to edit, you and the other person that you send this to will be able to come in and work on this document at any given point. If I were to send this to a teacher and I want them to comment on it, I would select Can Comment. And again, if I want somebody just to view what I've done here in my work, I'll just allow them to view this and now allow them to not make any changes. I'm going to cancel out of this here. But as you can see, again, if you wanted to share your work with somebody, this is where you would come up top here and hit share, and you'd be able to share any objects that you've done. Again, I'll exit back out of this. And again, if I come back to my Google Drive, you can see these items that were left here, whether it's my Microsoft Word example or my PowerPoint. And again, we talked about spreadsheets and drawings. I'll just open these up so you can see. Google Sheets, again, no different. One thing I do want to point out is that if you're typing in a cell, as soon as you click out of that cell, it'll save those specific things that you've done. So make sure that when you're in a Microsoft Word, Microsoft spreadsheet, Google spreadsheet, anytime you're typing in a cell, make sure to click or enter out of that cell so that it'll save whatever changes you have. Same thing, you can X out of that and that'll appear here. And the last thing I want to briefly mention to you, again, you come here, this additional arrow for more. You have Google Forms where you can do a survey, Google Drawings as well, which allows you to navigate through and experience all the tools that Google Drive has to offer.